In this video, we will look at some of the best stepper motors on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5 Yusongshine All-NEMA 17 Stepper Motor. When it comes to NEMA 17 stepper motors, the Yusongshine All-NEMA 17 stepper motor stands out in the market. Pure copper enameled wire. The Yusongshine stepper motor uses pure copper enameled wire, crafted with advanced winding and wire passing technology. This ensures that the copper wires are evenly arranged, which leads to a lower temperature rise during operation. Consequently, long-term use does not result in deformation or noise, common issues with lower quality motors. High-grade bearings and advanced coating. The motor incorporates international silicon steel material bearings and utilizes imported German technology for its construction. The bearings are coated with high-quality rotor glue, and the silicon steel undergoes oxidation to reduce surface burrs after grinding. These features contribute to a motor that has higher torque, more stable output, lower noise levels, and a significantly longer lifespan compared to industry standards. Number 4 Singasong 5PC's NEMA 17 Stepper Motor. The Singasong 5PC's NEMA 17 Stepper Motor is a reliable and efficient choice for 3D printers, CNC engravers, and other precision machinery. This new version of the NEMA 17 Stepper Motor, specifically the 17HS4401 model, is designed to deliver high performance and reliability for various applications. Step angle. The motor has a precise step angle of 1.8 plus or minus 0.09, ensuring accurate movements essential for 3D printing and CNC engraving. Rated voltage. It operates at a DC voltage of 3.6 volts, making it compatible with a wide range of control systems. Rated current. The motor draws a current of DC 1.58 per phase, providing the necessary power for demanding tasks. Holding torque. With a holding torque of is greater than or equal to 420 Nm, the motor offers substantial force to maintain position, critical for high-precision applications. Performance maximum no-load starting frequency. The motor can achieve a starting frequency of is greater than or equal to 1900 pps, allowing for rapid startups and efficient operation. Weight. Each motor weighs 1,450 grams, indicating a solid build quality that contributes to its durability and performance. Brand name, Singasong model number, 17HS4401 phase, to certification, CE certified. Number 3 Yunduan NEMA 3 4-axis stepper motor. The Yunduan NEMA 3 4-axis stepper motor package offers a comprehensive solution for those needing precision and efficiency in their CNC machinery. These packages are designed to provide flexibility based on your specific needs, whether you require fewer motors for a simpler setup or more for a more complex configuration. Interpolation capabilities. Linear interpolation for X, Y, Z, C axis. Circular interpolation for X, Y axis. Electric gear. Numerator 199999. Denominator 199999. USB port for importing programs and boot pictures. Isolated I/O port. Maximum program line 1000. Maximum programs 99. RAM 1 to 8M. External manual operation. Motor clockwise and counterclockwise spinning, start, pause, alert, and stop functions. Number 2 Hand-Post Servo Stepper Motor. The Hand-Post Servo Stepper Motor series offers high-performance, closed-loop motors tailored for precision applications such as CNC machinery and engraving. Digital control. New 32-bit DSP digital driver, suitable for engraving machines and CNC equipment. PWM current control, provides low noise and high-speed torque, up to 40% higher than ordinary drives. Voltage, DC 8090V, accuracy and durability. Step angle accuracy, plus or minus 5% full step. No load resistance accuracy, plus or minus 10%. Inductance accuracy, plus or minus 20%. Temperature rise. Maximum 80 degrees Celsius rated current, 2 phases on ambient temperature, minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius. Number 1 CloudRain NEMA 17 Stepper Motor. The CloudRain NEMA 17 Stepper Motor is a highly efficient and versatile motor, ideal for applications in 3D printing, CNC engraving, and milling machines. Current, phase. The motor operates at a current of 1.78 per phase, providing a balance between power consumption and performance. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.